Hello everyone, my name is Paul. I own a stone restoration and repair business in the DFW area in Texas. I'm just coming back from a customer that had Cambria Quartz installed in their kitchen. It's been, a little bit already, and for some reason the quartz developed a crack in like a corner, and two pieces cracked in between, not all the way, but the crack was a little bit unlevel, and it started to be slightly visible over time as dust and things like that got caught in it. Now, there was another issue with that countertop. There was a chip on it, and Cambria sent their technician to take a look at these things, and he repaired the chip and did a pretty good job. But he also took the owner took advantage of that and asked him about the crack repair. And supposedly he mentioned that crack is not featured under the lifetime warranty, which is partially understandable to me, because there could be different things that led to that quartz being cracked. But she asked him if he could do anything to improve the look of it or repair it or anything like that. And I'll be honest with you, the repair or an attempt at an improvement of that cracked Cambria quartz was terrible. I mean, the customer was very unhappy with it. She said that it looks actually worse than even before, more pronounced. And I'm going to post a short video on this channel to show you what it was before I got there, when the representative from Cambria attempted on improving it and repairing it, and then what it was when I was finished with it and what it looked like repaired by me. So I think that Cambria, this is directly to you guys. If you need a technician that knows exactly what he's doing in a lot of these situations where slabs crack and you have chips to repair and things like that, I'm your man. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, because today, later on, I'm going to be posting that short, which is going to show you exactly, like I said, the before when Cambria repaired it, and then kind of show my process of doing it, and then the after of what the result of my repair was. So I encourage you to do that, because if you have quartz countertops, even if it's Cambria or not, it definitely would serve you really well to see what the repair really should look like, at least. I'm not saying I'm the best guy repairing quartz, because I'm not. I learn every day and I try to be better every day and things like that. But I'm not attacking Cambria either, because Cambria is a great company for quartz countertops. But if you're sending a representative from a company like Cambria, which is a probably top of the line quartz supplier, then I think that professional or technician that does this repair work should do as good of a job as you could possibly do. That's just my opinion on the matter. I mean, I like what I do. I've been working with stone for, I'd probably say, about 15 years now. Worked for 2 fabrication companies in the past. Then I went on my own and been doing restoration of marble, granite, and quartz and repairs since I had my business. I don't install, I don't do fabrication. I do some adjustments and things like that, but I like that detail work. And I'd like to think I'm really good at it, and you're going to see that from the short that I'm going to post by the end of the day today. So just wanted to share that, and kind of that's my advice to companies like Cambria, because you guys are making a lot of money on your materials, and the service, the quality of the material is great. The service overall with it is great. I can't say it's not. But I think that the service men coming out to repair and restore and do adjustments like that, a technician should be a very highly skilled technician. That might have something to do with their pay. I have no idea what it might be, but it might be a good idea to have somebody locally that does this for a living and is doing a great job on it, because the next time that customer is looking to purchase Cambria or purchase new countertops, they might not go with Cambria, certainly, and specifically due to the technician's repair skills, of them not knowing or not being aware of that something like this would not be covered by warranty. So I think, you know, the company should be making a lot more. Cambria should try a lot harder to be clear with customers what is covered with their warranty. If you give them a long article to read, they're not going to read that. They simply won't. I think the best thing would be bullet points of the major things that could go wrong and what's covered and what's not, and why yes and why not. That's, I think, what it should be. And then again, stressing, sending out a technician to repair a countertop should be a top-of-the-line technician if he's working for a company like Cambria. That's just my opinion. You charge a lot for the product, you provide a quality product, the prices are premium on Cambria Quartz, then the service and repair quality and the skills of the technician that's being sent to the job should be the highest in the industry. Simple as that. That's my opinion. That's what I'm trying to say. Overall, like I said, Cambria is a great product. I have no problems with it. And that's pretty much it. So just wanted to share that. And again, subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to be posting that short before the end of the day of what the repair was before from a Cambria technician and what the repair was after from me. All right. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.